Okay, I've had a few of you email me not really clear on the transcript assignment. So let me go over a few things and then I'll also have Google Meet open at 10:45 for C block and at 1:19 for D block. So you guys can pop in and get one-on-one help if you need, okay? So here I have the document up. And remember, you've heard the speech for the TED Talk that Miss Kim gave, and the transcript is simply her exact words in writing. Okay, so there's the actual speech written down that I have. And what I want you to do, because the EOC, your Tennessee State testing, is very focused on you being able to identify the main idea, the main purpose behind an author's writing, either their speech or a poem or a book, whatever it is. They kind of want to know what's the main point of this. And in fiction, we call that theme, but this isn't fiction. This is a nonfiction. This is her telling a story about something she really did. So we kind of want to know what is she wanting us to take away after we heard her speech? And so that's the first question, right? Your choices are there. And I want you to know, just like in the T and Ready test, two of these you can rule out because you'll see something very opinionated that doesn't quite add up. But there's two of these answers that are they sound pretty good. So you have to pick the best one of those two, all right? After you do that, the next thing, and the hardest thing for students, is finding the supporting evidence for the main idea. So you want to key in on key phrases and key sentences that support that main idea. And by what we're going to have you do to find those is I just want you to read page 1 of the transcript, and you're going to highlight sentences only on page 1 which support the main idea. Well, it should say that support. How about that? That support the main idea by providing details. Not you providing details, I'm sorry. So places where Miss Kim gives details about something and that supports the main purpose of her speech, okay? And there's several in here. So I want you to do that. And then I want you to annotate. Wherever you highlight, you need to make a comment on why you think that. So if this is a comment here where you think, yeah, here we go, this is supporting the main idea, you're going to click that comment box and you're going to say, this supports the main idea by doing what? Or because it does whatever. So that's what I mean by annotating the text on that. The last thing in this number 2 box, this highlighted box, is to italicize at least 3 words that you do not know and provide their definitions or a synonym in the comments. So when you find a word that you don't know, let's say the word is accompanied, you would highlight that, go up here under Tools where it says Dictionary, and you're going to go to the dictionary, and it gives you the definition. Do not just copy and paste that, but try to find a key part of the definition, all right? You can also, or you could say, put a synonym, another word that would work in its place, all right? And you'll do that in the comments as well. So, and then finally, the last question has to do with how Miss Kim ends her speech. She ends it with a letter that she wrote to her former students, a letter that she knew they would never read. How did ending the speech with this letter serve the purpose of her speech? And then I gave you some multiple choice answers. And again, 2 are probably going to be pretty clear that they're not the right answer. And then the other 2 will sound like good options, and you just have to pick the best one. When you guys come to school on Tuesday, we are going to go over these together. So make sure you have this done so that we can, because if you don't have it done, I'll send you to another room to do it. And because I don't want you to participate in the answers, but you'll miss out on really understanding this exercise. So what I need you to do is struggle through it, do your best, and then the grading will happen as we meet together in class and we work out our answers together. Okay? I hope that helps. I hope you guys have a great 3-day weekend. Take care.